Hello everyone. The time has finally come. We get to get Reggie tomorrow. It doesn't even feel real, you guys. It does not feel real. So I packed his stuff this morning and I'm just taking the crate, a blanket, and then a bag with his treats, his leash, and like the poop bags. And that's all I'm gonna bring for him, because it's a long drive. But I don't want him I'll feed him a little bit of water, but I don't want him drinking a lot of water because I don't want him to pee in the car. So we'll have to stop like every hour for him to go to the bathroom. And then of course I had to pack snacks for me. Guys, I can't believe the day is here. I can't. Well, it's not here yet. It's here tomorrow. I'm going to get him with my mom. So I don't know how much filming there will be because I get scared. I made coffees for tomorrow because we're leaving at like 6 a.m. I think. So I have one for me and one for her. I did a pumpkin latte for me and like a winter spice one for my mom. I am so excited. Like I can't even explain it to you guys. Like I'm just beside myself. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Guess what we're doing today? It's time to get Reggie. We're like 4 hours out. Yeah. That's all I have to say about that. 4 hours till you get the little weenie. Yeah. It's 7 a.m. We left at like 6:30. There's kind of a sunrise. We kind of missed it. There, got like 2 hours. I just paid it and it was scary because it like had the wrong dog name at the top. So I texted her and I'm like, am I getting this dog? And she wasn't responding and I was getting so scared. But she said I'm getting the one that I said I was getting. So we'll see. Guess what? Look how cute he is! Look how cute he is. Oh my cutie patootie. He's so cute. He's so big. Meow. Look at little heart on his butt. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. My baby. My baby. Time to go home so he can see his new home. Look how cute he is. Oh, he looks sad. Oh, big guy. What a cutie. Weggie's home. Poor baby. Oh, it's just. Stop it. Good morning, guys. 7 a.m. Weggie slept with me all night. The second I will put him in his cage, he'll go crazy. So I give up. He's hanging out with the roomie right now. Is that bags under my eyes? What? Is that bags under my eyes? Oh no, it was the shadow. There's bags. There's definitely bags. You guys see his hernia? He was on sale.
About the size of the squirrel.
He's the same size as it. Wedgie, come here. We're using Turkey as a treat because he doesn't like treats or his. Lay in your bed. Good boy. I just realized I never said goodbye to you guys. But yeah. I'm just gonna edit this video. It's been a couple days. But he's good. He's starting to learn how to go potty outside, so that's great. He's just the sweetest boy. Crate training has not been going well. Yeah, it's rough. He just barks and barks and barks. So I got him a bark collar and it did not work. It literally made him bark more. So I don't even understand. But yeah, he's good. He's cutie. Yeah. Testing my patience, that's for sure. I'll literally take him outside. He'll poop. And then he'll come back inside and poop on the rug. I don't get it, but he's good. He's a cutie. Say hi. Hi. All right. Well, have a gorgeous, fabulous week. Love you.